Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This printer is HP Deskjet 2700 series. What I want to do is to show you how to install the ink cartridges. This printer is using ink cartridges 305 or 67. If you go to the control panel, you will see that the amber light is highlighting and also the gauges are empty. If you install the ink, the light will go off and also you will see the two gauges will be full up. So open the cover. Once you open the cover, then you wait for the ink holder to position to the center. The colored ink cartridge goes to the left, the black goes to the right. So this is the black one. Go in, pull it up. Once it's into the settings, pull it up. Then take the colored one, go in, pull it up. If you want to remove it, put one finger on top of each of the cartridge, pull it down, pull down. To remove it, to put it back, go in, this is colored one, pull it up, take the black, go in, pull it up, make sure they are inside, not falling off. Then close the cover. Then you wait. The light is gone off and the gauges that was flashing earlier are now no longer flashing and are full up. So this is how to install the ink cartridges in HP Deskjet 2700 series, 2800 series, 2900 series, and 2600 series. Thank you very much indeed.